Are you struggling to figure out whether SEO is a quality game or a quantity game? Many people believe that SEO success comes down to publishing a certain number of pieces of content per day. But that's not necessarily the case. So how can you make sure that you're doing SEO right? If you're only focusing on quantity, you could be missing out on potential traffic and visibility. And if you are only focusing on quality, you might not be giving your target audience enough opportunity to find you. The truth is, SEO is both a quality and a quantity game. You need to publish interesting, useful content that's optimized and promoted across all your marketing channels. And you need to give people a multiple reason to visit your website. But whatever meal they order should be so satisfying that it gets something people talking positively about you. By consistently raising the bar for your content standards, you can drive more traffic and earn additional visibility in search engines. Don't just take my words for it. Google's John Mueller has said that publishing a certain number of posts per day doesn't necessarily mean you will get more traffic. It's all about the quality of your content, how well you promote it. But don't wait too long to take action. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you could be missing out to grow your traffic and visibility in search engines. So schedule a call today with me and let's start creating the kind of a content that will drive results to your website. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.